Hello, I'm here for my emergency appointment.
Hi there, come on in. What's the emergency?
I have the worst toothache.
How long have you had this pain?
For about a week, but it's gotten really bad today.
Have you done anything that might have aggravated your tooth?
Actually, I was biting into an apple and my filling came out.
So now your tooth is exposed, which is causing the pain. I'll need to give you a temporary filling and then you'll need to book another appointment to get a proper filling.
Okay, how long will the temporary filling last?
It should last up to 1 month.
Will the pain be gone?
Yes, please take a seat here so I can start your treatment.
What's that you're holding?
I've taken an X-ray to show you the damage caused to your tooth.
Oh no, is that a hole in my tooth?
No, the X-ray shows where your tooth is broken. I'll need to restore the filling.
That sounds painful. Will it hurt?
I'll try to make it pain-free. Please don't worry.
Okay, how long will it take?
About half an hour. You may need to come back for another appointment. I'm going to begin the treatment now. Please tilt your head back and relax. What can I do for you today?
I'm here to get a filling.
Okay, let me check which tooth it is.
I think it's the tooth on the left.
Please sit back and relax. Open your mouth. That's right, I can see it. I'm going to give you anesthetic so you don't feel any pain.
Okay. Ouch, it hurts.
Almost done. All done. Please rinse your mouth.
My mouth feels really numb.
It will be like that for a couple of hours. Please avoid eating for a couple of hours.
Okay, thanks, doctor.
Hi there, how are you feeling?
I'm really nervous.
Is it your first time visiting a dentist?
No, I've been before, but I always get scared.
Please don't worry. Do you want your mum in here?
No, I'll be okay.
Okay, I'm just going to check your teeth. It won't hurt. Please sit back and open your mouth wide. All done. There's a couple of teeth that require fillings. Have you been eating lots of sweets?
Yeah, my mum always tells me off.
You'll need to cut down on the sweets. You also need to make sure you brush your teeth twice a day.
Okay.
Well done for being brave today. I'll book you in for another appointment. Have a great day.
Thanks, doctor. Bye.